As an entrepreneur, business manager, or an individual, you work hard to improve your financial state. You eagerly seek the tools that will increase your ability to achieve your goals as quickly as possible. Tools that build a solid foundation and bring lasting results. Hand analysis, when understood correctly, is so extremely effective that it opens vast windows of who you are by natural design. It will reveal where you're weak and where you're strong. Once you have a basic understanding of how hand analysis works, you'll know how to avoid barriers that are standing in your way to success. You'll be able to tackle those roadblocks and apply techniques, universal laws, concepts, and resources that you will discover, preparing your transformation into a state of balance and lasting success.